Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so we do have another spoiler that's been revealed for the BoxyCharm February Premium Box. So if you're excited for this video, y'all go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Also, hit your subscribe button, make sure your bell's on, that way you don't miss none of these spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read the first comment from my last video. For spoilers for the March Boxy Luxe box. Congratulations, Sherry Davis. Sherry says hi. Why hi, Sherry? Honey, thank you so much. You're amazing, honey. Thank you for having your bell on. I really appreciate it. And I really appreciate you coming and taking the time to watch my videos, honey. Thank you so much. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this here video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know, I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, let's go ahead and dive into this madness. Now again, this is for the BoxyCharm February Premium Box. So first I'm going to show you what we already know about, then I'm going to reveal the new spoiler. So first up, you'll either get the SelfTaught Beauty Ceramic Flat Iron, or you're going to get the Carrot Picante Eyeshadow Palette. Next up is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. And then we have the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Blush. And now to reveal the new spoiler, guys. So we don't have the exact product, but it is going to be a Tarte primer you will receive in your box. Now they do have a bunch of primers. I'm going to slip a couple of them up here. But if I were taking a guess, I'm thinking now, and I could be wrong, this is just a guess, guys, so don't count on me. I'm thinking it could be the Tarte Sequence Hydrating Primer. The reason I think this is that you know how these subscription boxes, you know, they're all in it together, you know. Well, that happens to be one of Ipsy's spoilers for February, so I'm thinking it could be that primer. And then again, guys, I could be wrong. It could be another primer, but I was just giving you that for an example. So guys, as soon as I find out anything, I'll let you guys know. You know I'm going to keep you updated. And as always, BoxyCharm's link below if you want to go check them out. Now guys, let's read the comment that I picked in my last video. Well, congratulations, Jen R. Jen says, hey, am I first? I'm a new subscriber and loving your channel. Have a beautiful week. Well, Jen, honey, thank you so much. Thank you, honey. Welcome to the family. I hope you enjoy my content. I always love talking and interacting with new subscribers as well as my old ones, you know, that's been there for a while. Jen, I really appreciate you taking the time to do that, honey. Thank you so much. I love you, girl. Guys, leave that comment if you want to get a shout out. And guys, please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. YouTube's taking my subscribers, likes, comments, they're taking it all. Trying to ruin my life is what they're trying to do. But if you would double check that, make sure you're still subscribed. And if you're not, well, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept gifts, so you gotta take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit the thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. It really just shows engagement, but it also shows me what videos you guys are liking and what I need to do more of. Then there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would make sure your notification bell set on, that way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers. Guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers, so if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. And that's it. That's all I got for you, and I love y'all so much. See you in the next one. Bye, guys.